Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Are you tired of those annoying audio mark ads that ruins your music experience? Do you find yourself constantly skipping ads only to have them pop up again and distract your flow? Well, you are in luck. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to block audio mark ads for good. Whether you're a music fan, a gamer, or someone who just love listening to tones, then this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's dive right in and explore the easiest way to block audio mark ads and enjoy your uninterrupted music streaming. So first of all, let me show you some of the ads that mostly pop up when you are listening to or visiting audio mark. You can see right here, it has redirected me to alibaba.com. So let me press and go back. You see this ad. You can see right here, Yango, those plenty ad. We've witnessed it before. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to block all those ads. You can see one of the ad. There you go. You see it right here. You see. You can see it right whilst I'm listening to music and doing other stuff, then this ad will just pop up from nowhere. So I'm going to show you how to block all these things, this ad, not only this ad. And there's this particular ad that really annoys me. There's this voice over that mostly plays when you are listening to music, that subscribe to Audio Mac Plus and enjoy blah 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 blah. Let me play that particular ad for you to hear.
Want to experience Audio Mac without any ads? Try a free trial of Audio Mac Plus, which unlocks the full Audio Mac experience. Download full playlists, remove all ads, and get unlimited off.
Yeah, this is the particular voiceover that I was talking about. When you like visiting website that mostly show ads and other stuff, this particular tutorials I'm showing will also block those ads, not only from AudioMac. Let me show you how to block them. Let me show you how to do that. So first, this tutorials is only for Android users. So first, open your settings. All you need to do is just open your settings, then click on more connections, then click on private DNS. And if you don't find it in more connection, just click on this your search bar, then search private. Just search it, private DNS, then click on it. It will bring you right here. Then click on it. Then click on private DNS provider host name. So with this, it's automatically off. So all you need to do is just click on the private DNS provider host name. Just click on a private DNS provider host name. Then type this right in the box, dns.adguide.com. Just type it in the box, dns.adguide.com. So when you're done typing it in the box, just click on save. Then you go back. Just go back. Let me close the AudioMac recent app. Then open it again. Let me open the AudioMac for you to see. I'm going to open it for you to see again. There will be no ad that will pop up again. No ad will show up. Nothing. No ad will show. You will play your music with no ad. You can see right here. There will be no single ad that will pop up in your AudioMac again. No single ad. I bet you, no ad will pop up again once you are done with that dnss.adguard.com. Once you do that and save it, no ad, no single ad, no ad will pop up in your AudioMac again. That audio that always say subscribe to AudioMac Plus, blah 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 blah. That audio won't play again. It won't even show up again. You will listen to your music freely. No ad is going to pop up again. No single ad. Trust me. I bet you on that. No ad is going to pop up again. You can listen to your music. No ad is going to pop up again. Those ads that mostly pop up right here, there, back and forth, you are not going to see them again. You just do the dnss.adguard.com. You just do it. You are not going to see any ad in your AudioMac again. No audio cover that will say subscribe to AudioMac Plus, blah 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 blah. None of them is going to show again. No Alibaba ad, nothing, Sportybet ads. None of them is going to pop up again. Not only AudioMac. And if you like visiting website that mostly show ads, trust me, they are not going to show up again. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below if it really helped you. If it really helped you, then comment below and follow for more tech tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.